Welcome back to Local Solution. We are going to help you how to use Penguin tool. Click on order now, select the server service, and then search box type the Penguin. You can see the Penguin service tool. Click on the Penguin tool, select the service. You can see the username and quantity required. So how to use this tool? I have already downloaded the Penguin tool on my desktop. Opening the Penguin tool. You can see the download link also. If you want to download, click on the download, then download from here. I have already downloaded and open. Enter here any username, type any username that you want. I have write the Local team, and then type any password that you want to use for Penguin tool. I have write my password. Click on register. This username is already exist, so I will change the username. Click on register. You can see the register successfully, and then I can log in. You can see the login and 0 credit available. Per phone cost 4.5 credit. For FRP Realme 2 credit require. Going to asonloka.com, type here the registered username, paste here, and quantity you can buy minimum 3 at a time, maximum 2000. I am going to order 5 credit, type here quantity 5, and then click on place order. You can see the order successfully placed. Order history checking, pending. Rechecking the order history. You can see it is the in process. In process means already credited tool. Open tool, log out the tool username, and then log in again to check our credit. You can see the credit already added on my account, 5 credit available, and you can see the phone is connected. In process means credit added. We can recheck our order history, it is success or not. It doesn't matter it is a success or not. You can see the credit available, and you can see the phone connected. You can refresh to connect your phone. Phone connect always my assistant mode or side load mode. FRP unlock, click and then yes, tool is working.